couple of stuff getting ready for summer. Well, this week is just the start of the spring season. It's better be ready for all that, because yeah. And first off, we got this 100% cycling shades, eyewear, whatever you call. Let's do unboxing. Okay. Right there. There we go. This guy. And I think it's a Miami green. Like same color as this guy, but close to. But yeah. Yes. She's quite sexy. I don't know what's the name of this thing. Anyways, it comes with a case, hard case, and a clear lenses. Yeah, I was passionate with cycling before, so as you can see, it's more likely a cycling profile, like a road cycling profile, but I like the fit. Like, it just float in your eyes, just like that. Yeah, just you can't buy this directly to US, but you go through some certain websites that I have to dig in through. But anyways, I got it now. And thank you RC Mechanical once again for the sponsorship. And it's more stuff to come in the future. And once again, thank you RC Mechanical, you're the best. Okay, moving on to the next one. Oh, I'm in the mood today. Mm-hmm. Okay, I just got this from the mailbox. Do unboxing here. And one more thing, sa mga mountain bikes dyan, sa mga mountain bikers, just keep the price secret from your life. It helps a lot. So what do we have? A Crank Brothers shoe clip-in. I'm a fan of Crank Brothers. And of course, Crank Brother pedal, which is my favorite thing, one of my favorites. It's designed for enduro and all mountain, so same as the shoe. I have a small feet, but yeah, size 9, and nothing else more. Jump out. Okay. First up, Crank Brothers. I'm excited for this guy. As you can see, my background there. Okay. It's more likely a relatively big bike. My other one has been indisposed, just because it's too small for me and I can't go further. So let's get this guy out in the box. Okay. So that's the mallet E. Here's the other pedal for the other side. So if you buy this, just read the description, what's for, and more likely what is for usage. It's not gonna hurt if you get to read for a minute or two. But anyways, if you see this on online, they just, you just see like this. But one of their designs is nothing on the other side, like there's only one clip in. I forgot the name, but yeah, be careful what you, if you order this. I almost made a mistake because I'm just too excited about it and I didn't read about it, and I just realized like, oh, nothing on the other side, is just flat pedal, but on the other side it has a clip in. So yeah, take your time, read it if you want one of these, because there are some models of these is just one side. Okay, so it comes, I think it comes with the hardware. What's that inside here? Hardware, and then of course stickers, user's manual. Number one they asked is, are you a qualified cyclist? No, are you a qualified mechanic? Neither one of them. That was a joke. That was only a joke. Okay. And they have this what do you call it? The clicks. It doesn't say anything, you just punch your phone in your QR code and everything pops up and show you everything. So I'm not gonna dig into this because it's just, this just support your shoe, the depth of your clip, whether you like it loose or not. Like you wanted something loose, you don't want something tight fit. I prefer it to be a little bit loose, just in case you crashed on a trail. You're not attached to the bike. You're not, like, you're totally separate from the bike. That's all. And I'm pretty damn sure they have this. Yeah, this is for your shoes. This is what I'm, this guy attached to your shoes, and it's been labeled L and R, which is left and right, of course. This guy clip-ins to this guy, and this thing is attached to your shoes, right? So when that thing clips in, now this guy comes in handy. Perception the depth of your shoes. That's why you wanna be tight, you wanna be loose. I prefer it to be loose. You just keep your feet in line. That's all. So that's about it. Frank Brothers E. Once again, RC Mechanical. Thank you. Put that away. That guy. So